Hello guys, welcome back to Tinasha's TV YouTube channel. My returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for coming. May God bless you. Thank you. I really appreciate each and every one of you for your support. May God bless you guys for me, for subscribing, for coming and watching for supporting me. I just want to tell you guys I love you guys so much. May God bless you. If today's your first time of coming across my channel, please kindly subscribe, okay, so that we can grow together. That you can grow together, okay. I just want you guys, I love you guys so much. May God bless you. I'm shut up with. So today guys, I'm going to be unboxing my baby sitter. Let me say sitter. You know, she started eating, so we have to get her own chair. You know, she's a big girl now. You can see, so she's a big girl now. We have to get her own chair, because each time everybody are sitting down, she will be like she'll be like she want to sit in our own chair. And our own chair is very high, so we have to get her our own chair. You can see it. You can see. So I'm going to be unboxing it right now and see what's inside. Although I didn't go, it was my husband that went. So she bought my husband bought this one, because if you say I go now for see video around, just like the way my husband is telling me, say, and anywhere you go you carry camera. Yes, so that's my work. Anywhere I go, I must carry camera. So let's unbox, guys. Let's unbox and see how it look like. Let's unbox it and see how the thing look like. Am I seeing myself? Really? It's that time I get this long stand. Every time I get long stand. So. What's in it? Oh, wow. I said the fish are coming. The fish are coming. I said the fish are coming. If the officer come up, we are happy, eh? Look at that. The officer come, I will just happy. See, the officer. The officer now. This is the officer come, the officer. So I have to do this job now. won't bring anything for Sadio. Where YouTube? Oh, where YouTube? Oh, yeah. So we are done, guys. We done. Anyway. Okay, YouTuber. So guys, we are done. Oh, bus finito. So you can see, hey, no what's anything in this video. The YouTube in this one is where she will keep her food. That is where she will keep her food. Oh, it's fine now. Baby will be so happy today. See, hey, like seriously, she will be so okay. This one is where she will sit down. She will sit down. Okay. So let me go and visit right now, right away. I need to visit right now, right away. You can see this is where she will be sitting down. Oh, it's fine now. Very fine. Very fine. And see, my baby is a big girl, so she has to be sitting down on her own. You can see. So baby is a big girl. She needs to be sitting down on her own. See? Since I will fix it now. Let me just remove this one and package the rest. Okay, something for this now. I don't know what it's for. For those one like that. See the nice strip. Let's see. You need to fix it now. You really need to fix it now. Fix it inside. So we are done. We are done. Thank you for unboxing with me. May God bless you. You know the YouTube not easy. So may God bless you. Thank you so much, guys. May God bless you. Thank you for coming, for subscribing. I just want to tell you guys that I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much. May God bless you. Please keep on continue supporting me. Okay? May God bless you. I love you. I love you. Bye-bye. This staircase, I wonder. Need to. Okay, bye bye. I love you. Finally, I am done, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Hey, way. My baby not go feel happy, eh? My baby not go feel happy, oh. The way she dey struggle for our share for dining to eat, eh? Mama mia. Finally, we got our own chair. Finally, we got our own chair. I finally fixed it. I finally fixed this chair. Wow. This is so beautiful. Ada, your chair is very, very beautiful, okay? Enjoy. Wow, I finally fixed it. So, I don't know. You want to hold me? You want to hold Mama? So, finally fix this chair. Ewe. Adao, say grazie, Mama.